In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add OANDA to Tradingview. By the end, you'll be trading directly from your charts with a clean, streamlined setup. Before we start, make sure you already have a Tradingview account and a live OANDA account. Both need to exist ahead of time so the connection can be approved. Begin by logging in to Tradingview. From the homepage, open a chart. Supercharts is ideal because it gives you the full trading layout. Any symbol will do for now. You can switch to your preferred market later. Give the page a moment to load fully so all panels are available. Look toward the bottom of the chart for the trading panel. If you don't see it, drag up the bottom edge of the window or click the panel tab to reveal it. The trading panel is where Tradingview lists supported brokers and where you'll link your account, place orders, and manage positions without leaving the chart. In the broker list, find OANDA and click it. Then choose Connect. Tradingview will redirect you to a secure OANDA sign-in page. Sign in to your OANDA account using your usual credentials, then approve the connection when you're prompted. This authorization tells OANDA that Tradingview is allowed to display your account details and send trade instructions on your behalf. Once the connection is successful, you'll be returned to Tradingview and you should see your account balance and the order panel appear at the bottom of the chart. From here, you can start trading. Use the order panel to place market, limit, or stop orders. A market order executes at the current available price, which is useful when you need immediate entry. A limit order tells the platform to fill you at a specific or better price, great for buying pullbacks or selling into strength. A stop order triggers only when price reaches your chosen level, often used to enter with momentum. You can add a stop loss and a take profit when creating the order, or adjust them afterward. On the chart, your orders and positions will display as lines you can click and drag to fine-tune levels. You can also modify quantity, adjust stops and targets, or close trades directly from the chart or the order panel for precise visual control. If the connection doesn't appear right away, refresh the chart or reopen the trading panel. Double-check that you're logged into the correct Tradingview profile and the correct OANDA account. That's it. You've connected OANDA to Tradingview and can now trade straight from your charts with confidence and clarity.